Welcome to Go Mandarin Grammar.
华语语法战士。
Today we are going to review the descriptive complements. The pattern of descriptive complements is verb plus
的
plus complements. We'll use the
的
to refer to the pattern in the following examples. Let's first start with the sentence structure for descriptive complements. It's subject plus verb plus
的
plus complement. The complement here can be adjectives, adverbs, or verb phrases. Now that we know the structure, when do we use the
的
structure? The
的
is used to describe or comment on actions. If you want to express how well, how bad, or what the result of an action is, then you should use the.
的
Let's look at some examples. This lady sings very well. Is it correct to say,
她唱非常好。
no, it's incorrect in Chinese grammar. Let's use the
的
in the sentence instead.
她唱得非常好。
She sings very well. That's right. Here's another example. My friends have already reached the finish line, but I haven't. I ran so slowly. Now it's your turn. Use
跑
to run as the verb. And don't forget to use the
的
structure. How would you say the sentence?
我跑得太慢了。
I ran too slowly. Perfect. Now let's talk about the object. Where should the object be placed in a the
的
sentence? Since the
的
can never be separated, there are two ways to add the object. 1. Subject plus verb plus object plus verb plus
的
plus complement. 2. Object plus subject plus verb plus
的
plus complement. In the first structure, the verb is repeated. In the second one, the object is moved to the front. Let's practice the first structure in which the verb is repeated. This kid went swimming and did very well. The verb here is
游
to swim. The sentence in Chinese is
他游泳游得很好。
he did well at swimming. Now let's practice the second structure in which we'll move the object to the front. The woman is writing Chinese characters and her handwriting is beautiful. How would you say that in Chinese?
她的字写得很漂亮。
Her handwriting is beautiful. Good job! Here's the last point in this lesson.
怎么样？
How is used in the structure for asking a question. Let's try to ask someone how well they speak Chinese.
中文说得怎么样？
How well do you speak Chinese? The response would be,
中文说得不错。
I speak quite well. And how about you?
中文说得怎么样？
You've now learned the descriptive complements, the.
的
See you at the next lesson.